Good morning, all of you. Myself, Patel Shittal, as a nursing tutor from Knowledge Institute of Nursing. Today, we will learn about nursing care of neonate. Okay. In that first introduction, in that newborns are one of the most curious and interesting humans who could ever encounter. Okay, કોઈ પણ person હોય, but એની માટે newborn baby is really very much valuable. Okay, એના જેવું curious and interesting person છે એ કોઈ પણ ના હોઈ શકે newborn baby જેવું. They continue to become everyone's joy wherever they go. Obviously, you can have a smile while seeing any newborn baby or any babies, any infant. As their healthcare provider, we are the one of them who handle them primarily at the moment they were delivered. Okay, as a nurse or as a healthcare professional, as a part of healthcare professional, we are the first you can who meet or you who handle that baby when they are delivered. So it's up to us to give the best primary care to these little angels before we hand over them to their parents. Okay, so as a primary caregiver, it is our responsibility. એ આપણી responsibility છે as a primary caregiver કે આપણે આ little babies, little angels ને parents ને hand over કરતા પહેલા proper care આપવી. Okay, proper take care કરવી. Now definition: the period from birth to 28 days of life is called neonatal period, and the infant in this term as neonate or newborn baby. Okay, હવે બેબી બોર્ન થાય ત્યારથી 28 ડેઝ ઓફ લાઈફ 28 ડેઝનું થાય ત્યાં સુધીનો જે ટાઈમ છે ત્યાં સુધીનું જે ડ્યુરેશન છે એને નિયોનેટલ પીરિયડ કહેવાય, રાઈટ? અને 28 ડેઝ પછી 1 યર સુધી થાય that is called infant. કે આપણે એવા બેબીઝને ઇન્ફન્ટ કહીએ છીએ. બટ અપ ટુ ધી 28 ડેઝ ઓફ બેબી હોય તો એને નિયોનેટ ઓર ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબી પણ આપણે કહી શકીએ. Okay, it is clear. I repeat it. Up to the 28 days of life of baby હોય that is called neonate. Up to the 1 year of baby હશે તો એને ઇન્ફન્ટ કહીશું આપણે. નિયોનેટ ને આપણે ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબી પણ કહી શકીએ. The first week of life is known as early neonatal period, and the late neonatal period extends from 7th day to 28 days of age. The first week of it, that means up to the 7 days. You can say that baby as a, you can use the terminology for that early neonatal period. Okay, then late neonatal period આપણે કોને કહીશું? 7 days થી 28 days of age હશે બેબીની, that is included in late neonatal period. Now, care given to newborn during neonatal period is known as newborn care. Okay, તમે જે પણ કેર આપો neonatal period માં up to 28 days, that is considered as a newborn care. Early neonatal period, you can see the babies of first day to 6 days of life. Then late neonatal period from 7 day to 28 days. Now, physical characteristics of healthy neonates. In that first, a healthy newborn usually has the following physical characteristics. Which characteristics? In that first one is the weight. The average weight of a normal full-term newborn infant is about 2.9 kg. Okay, the average weight is 2.9 kg, but there may be a variation from 2.5 to 3.9 kg or more. Okay, that is the first is weight. Second one, length. In other words, you can say the height. At birth, the average crown heel length. Crown heel length, or you can say the height of term infant is 50 centimeter with range of 48 to 53 centimeter. Okay, the average height or average length is 50 centimeter and the range is 48 to 53. Then head circumference. The head circumference is usually varies from 33 to 37 centimeter with the average of 35 centimeter. Okay. Now the lastly is the chest circumference. The chest circumference is about 3 centimeter less. Okay, so 35 માંથી તમે 3 centimeter less કરી શકો તો that is 32. Okay, 32 to 35 centimeter there is a average of chest circumference. The chest is round rather than flattened anterior posterior. Okay, newborn baby નું chest છે એ round હોય rather than flat. આપણે જેમ એડલ્ટ નું ફ્લેટ હોય છે એવું ફ્લેટ નથી હોતું. ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબી નું chest round હોય છે. That's why the chest circumference is 3 centimeter less than head circumference. Okay, so you have to remember all these numbers. Further I repeat, weight is about 2.9 kg is normal, but there is a variation from 2.5 to 3.9 kg. Length is 50 centimeter is normal, but there is a range 48 to 53 centimeter. Head circumference is average 35 centimeter is normal, but there is a range 33 to 37 centimeter. The same way chest circumference is 32 centimeter is normal, but maybe a 32 to 35. There may be a average things. So this is all about the physical characteristics of healthy neonates. Now how you can measure the height and weight. Head circumference you can see in the picture also, as well as chest circumference. You should provide supine comfortable position to the newborn baby for assessing all these characteristics. Now, physiological characteristics of healthy neonates. In that, the healthy neonates cries almost immediately after birth. Okay, the newborn baby obviously cries almost immediately after birth and establishes satisfactory and spontaneous respiration. Through crying, they can establish satisfactory and spontaneous respiration. Okay. Then second one, respiration. The respiratory rate varies between 30 to 60 breaths per minute. Okay, RR કેટલું હોય? Normal 30 to 60 breaths per minute, which an average is 40 breaths per minute. Okay, 40 breaths per minute is average rate. Then heart rate. It varies between 120 to 160 beats per minute with an average of 140 beats per minute. Okay, so heart rate HR is normal 120 to 160 and average is 140 beats per minute. Then blood pressure. Newborn baby માં કેટલું range હોય? So it ranges from 60 to 80 mm of Hg. Systolic BP may be range from 60 to 80. And diastolic is from 25 to 40 mm of Hg. So average is 60 by 40 mm of Hg. Then temperature. The normal body temperature is 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, which falls after birth but become normal within 4 to 8 hours. Okay. Due to the environmental change, there may be a fall for few hours, but it becomes normal after 4 to 8 hours. A neonate spends about 80% of time in sleeping, about 20 hours per day. Obviously, first 28 days newborn spend their almost 80% of time in sleeping. The neonate loses about 7 to 8% of body weight first week of life. Okay, so in the period of early neonatal period, there is a weight loss can be seen in neonates. The baby regains the birth weight by 10th day and then continues to gain weight about 20 to 30 gram per day for the next 3 months. Okay, so for summarizing this, there is a RR rate normal is 30 to 60 breaths per minute in newborn. Average is 40 breaths per minute. Heart rate is 140 is average. Then there is a range between 120 to 160 beats per minute. Blood pressure average is 60 by 40 mm of Fg, that is normal. There is a range. In systolic, there is a 60 to 80 mm of Hg, and in diastolic, there is a 25 to 40 mm of Hg. The same that the temperature is normal 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and baby can lose their weight in early neonatal period. You should remember all these things. Then assessment of newborn. In that, assessment of newborn must be examined thoroughly within 24 hours of birth. Obviously, newborn baby હોય તો તમારે 24 hours you should must assess them. Okay, So assessment of newborn can divide it into the 4 steps. There are 4 steps for assessment. In that first step is immediate assessment with Apgar score. Okay, the first assessment is Apgar score. Second is the transitional assessment during period of reactivity. Third is physical assessment, and fourth one is gestational age assessment. I repeat, first is immediate assessment with Apgar score. Second is the transitional assessment during period of reactivity. Third one is physical assessment. And fourth one is gestational age assessment. By this you can assess the newborn baby. Now immediate assessment with Apgar score. So the most essential assessment is the first cry. Obviously after delivery of baby, you should first check that baby is crying or not. Then good cry help in the establishment of satisfactory breathing. कि जो बेबी परफेक्ट क्राई करતું હશે means crying position હશે baby, that means there is a satisfactory breathing present in that baby can breathe well. Okay, it suggests that. Then another significant assessment of neonate is Apgar scoring. તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? અપગાર સ્કોર જોવાનું છે as described by Dr. Virginia Apgar in 1952. Okay, when it was invented, it was invented in 1952 by Dr. Virginia Apgar. Okay, so as per the guideline of that doctor, you should check the Apgar score. The score is based on observation of heart rate, respiration, muscle tone, reflex irritability, and color of neonates. Okay, આ જે અપગાર સ્કોર છે એના 5 ક્રાઇટેરિયા છે. ઇન ધેટ ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ તમારે હાર્ટ રેટ ચેક કરવાના છે, રેસ્પિરેશન ચેક કરવાનું છે, રેસ્પિરેશન રેટ ચેક કરવાનું છે, મસલ ટોન ચેક કરવાનું છે, રિફ્લેક્સ ઇરિટાબિલિટી ચેક કરવાની છે, અને લાસ્ટ કલર ઓફ નિયોનેટ ચેક કરવાનું છે. Now each item are the 5 criteria, so that each item is given a score of 0, 1 and 2. Okay, એનું અસેસમેન્ટ અને ચેકલિસ્ટ શું છે, એના સ્કોર શું છે? તો 0, 1 and 2 છે. If strongly positive, that means it has 2 score. Okay, તમે 2 સ્કોર આપો જો પોઝિટિવ હોય તો. If it is negative, then you should give the 0. Obviously જો જે બી ક્રાઇટેરિયા છે એ પ્રમાણે પોઝિટિવ હોય તો તમે 2 સ્કોર આપી શકો, અને જો એ પ્રમાણે પોઝિટિવ ના હોય તો you should give 0. The assessment should start immediately after birth at 1 minute and at 5 minutes after the birth. Okay, તમારે અપગાર સ્કોર 2 વાર ચેક કરવાનું છે, એક 1 minute after birth and second one you should check 5 minutes after birth. During this, many newborn may appear pink and may have slight bluish colored hand and feet. કે જે limbs છે, upper limbs છે and lower limbs છે, એ bluish discoloration પણ જોવામાં આવે છે due to external environment. Okay, adaptation to new environment. Due to adaptation to new environment, there is a bluish discoloration of hands and feet can be seen. Okay, during first hours, during few hours after the delivery of baby. Okay, then during this we should observe the color of mucous membrane of mouth, conjunctiva, sore and feet of newborn. By this way you can identify the color of neonates. Okay, તમારે કઈ શું ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરવાનું છે? ઓબ્ઝર્વ ઓફ mucous membrane of mouth as well as conjunctiva, then sole and feet of newborn. Okay, these color changes you should observe. Then check the muscle tone, flexion and extension of legs and upper limbs are also legs and arms. Then respiration pattern, crying pattern, then heart rate, reflex response by catheter into the nostrils, etc. Okay, all these things you should check while you assessing for Apgar score. Now this is the whole criteria, 5 criteria and the scoring system. Okay, the first is appearance, the full form of Apgar. Okay, this is the full form of Apgar. A for appearance, P for pulse, G for grimace, A for activity, and R for respiration. Now appearance. Why you should give the score 2? When the baby is pink baby, then that means you should give the score 2. Now extremities are blue, upper limb and lower limb જે એક્સ્ટ્રીમિટીઝ છે એ બ્લુ હોય તો તમે કયો સ્કોર આપશો? સ્કોર 1. When whole extremity, whole body is blue or pale, okay, yellowish discoloration હશે, jaundice હશે, or blue discoloration હશે, cyanosis present હશે, in that case you should give 0 score. Okay. Then pulse. Pulse if more than 100, that means you should give the 2 score. If pulse is less than 100 beats per minute, in that case you should give the score 1. And if there is no pulse, જો pulse absent હશે તો તમારે 0 score આપવાનો છે. I repeat, જો 100 થી વધારે pulse rate હશે, that means you should give the score 2. 100 થી ઓછા હશે તો you should give 1. અને 0 pulse હશે, that means you should give 0 score. Okay, now grimace. Grimace means facial expression or response to any stimuli. Okay, if you pinch the baby become cry and pulls away from that stimulus. તમે જે બી સ્ટિમ્યુલસ પિંચ કરીને સ્ટિમ્યુલાઈ આપ્યું છે એનાથી અવે જશે, દૂર જશે અને ક્રાય કરશે અને સ્ટ્રોંગ ક્રાય, રાઈટ? So that is grimace, and in that case you should give 2 score. Now grimace facial expression આપશે અને weak cry હશે, right? So તમે 1 score આપશો. અને જો કોઈ પણ રિસ્પોન્સ નહીં હોય, in that case you should give 0 score. That is all about grimace. Then activity, spontaneous movements હોય hands and legs ની, right? You can see in the picture also active movements છે hands ની અને legs ની. That means you should give 2 score, 2 score આપવાના. પણ જો આર્મ્સ અને લેગ્સ ફ્લેક્સ્ડ જ હોય, એક્સટેન્ડ બી ના કરે, રાઈટ, અને ફ્લેક્સડ પોસ્ચરમાં હોય, that means you should give 1 score. No movements અને ફ્લેક્સ પોઝિશનમાં હોય બેબી તો તમારે 1 score આપવાનો છે. And 0 score in which condition? There is no movement, no flexion, no any active movements. આવી રીતે extended posture જ હોય બેબી તો તમારે 0 score આપવાનો. Now respiration. If strong cry means average 40 RR હોય, in that case you should give 0 score, or sorry 2 score. Slow and irregular હોય cry, in that case you should give 1 score. Or below 40 degree હોય, below 40 RR હોય, in that case also you should give 1 score. And no breathing, there is no respiration, in that case you should give 0 score. Okay, this is all criteria of Apgar scoring. Now babies normally have score 8 to 10. Okay, 8 to 10 normal score છે in first minute after birth. When the score is between 8 to 10, it indicates that newborn is easily adjusting with extrauterine environment. Okay, Apgar score તમારો 8 થી 10 ની વચ્ચે હોય, that means baby is normal and baby try to adjust, or baby is well adjusted with extrauterine environment. જે આપણું present environment છે ત્યાં. Then the score is 5 to 7, which shows moderate difficulty of newborn to adjust to extrauterine life. Okay, so score 5 to 7 હોય, that means baby struggle કરી રહ્યું છે to adjust with extrauterine life. The condition is there, but baby needs an assistant with oxygen and umbo bag with continuous monitoring. Okay, just score 5 to 7 હોય, you have to continuously monitor that baby as well as provide oxygen and umbo bag as per requirement of baby or as per ordered by doctor. Now the score is 4 or below, which can show the severe distress and when require endotracheal intubation and close continuous monitoring. Okay, જો score Apgar score 4 થી ઓછું હોય, in that case baby is suffering from severe distress. Okay, now what are the interventions? So endotracheal intubation can be seen, as well as you should monitor continuously at the baby. In picture you can see the first one is adjust well. 8 to 10 score હોય ત્યારે baby આવું હોય. Then 5 to 7 હોય, in that case moderate difficulty, you should apply the oxygen mask or oxygen hood. Okay, moderate difficulty હોય, but you should monitor the baby continuously. And severe distress હોય તો you can see that there is an endotracheal intubation. Okay, patient may be on ventilator, baby may be on ventilator in severe distress condition. You can see in the picture also. Now, transitional assessment. Immediate after birth, neonate tries to cope up with the extrauterine environment. Okay, obviously, baby become cope up with extrauterine environment to adjust in that. Newborn during first 24 hours get various changes in vital sign, in vital function such as heart rate, respiration, motor activity, color and bowel activity. These changes occurs in orderly manner. It is known as a period of reactivity. ઓકે જે ન્યૂબોર્ન છે એમાં 24 અવર્સમાં ડિફરન્ટ ચેન્જીસ જોવા મળે, જેમ કે હાર્ટ રેટ્સમાં ચેન્જીસ જોવા મળે, રેસ્પિરેશનમાં ચેન્જીસ જોવા મળે, મોટર એક્ટિવિટી મુવમેન્ટ્સમાં ચેન્જીસ જોવા મળે છે, એઝ વેલ એઝ કલર એન્ડ બબલ એક્ટિવિટીમાં પણ ચેન્જીસ જોવા મળે છે ડ્યુરિંગ ફર્સ્ટ 24 અવર્સ. એ જે ચેન્જીસ છે એ બધા જ ઓર્ડરલી મેનરમાં હોય, દેટ મીન્સ વન બાય વન હેપન, અને એ ચેન્જીસને આપણે શું કહી શકીએ, ધેટ ઇઝ ધ પીરિયડ ઓફ reactivity. All these functions combinedly known as a period of reactivity. જે બી ચેન્જીસ થાય છે એ બધી ડ્યુરેશનને આપણે પીરિયડ ઓફ reactivity કહીએ. In that first period of reactivity is after birth during first 6 to 8 hours. First 6 to 8 hours, okay, after birth of baby, the newborn passes through the first period of reactivity. And શું કહેવાય, first period of reactivity. જે first 6 to 8 hours છે એને first period of reactivity કહેવાય. During the first 30 minutes, the neonate is alert as well as actively cries and has strong sucking reflex. Okay, after first 30 minutes, neonate કેવું થઈ જાય છે, એકદમ alert થઈ જાય છે, actively cry કરે છે, અને એની જે sucking ability છે, sucking reflex છે એ strong હોય છે. That's why it is the good time for breastfeeding and eye to eye contact with mother. That's why આપણે first after 30 minutes or first 30 minutes we should give the breastfeeding to the newborn child. Okay, then bowel sound are heard and mucus secretion are increased during this first period of reactivity, so you should must observe for all these changes. Then second period of reactivity, it starts when neonate awakes from first sleep. Okay, જે first sleep માંથી neonate awake થાય, જાગે, ત્યાર પછીનો જે 6 to 8 ત્યાર પછીનો જે 2 થી 5 નો કલાકનો ટાઈમ છે એને આપણે સેકન્ડ પીરિયડ ઓફ રિએક્ટિવિટી કહે છે. ફર્સ્ટ પીરિયડ ઓફ રિએક્ટિવિટી આપણે કોને કહે, જો 6 to 8 hours છે આફ્ટર બર્થ ઓફ ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબી, એને ફર્સ્ટ પીરિયડ ઓફ રિએક્ટિવિટી કહે છે. પણ સેકન્ડ પીરિયડ ઓફ રિએક્ટિવિટી ક્યારે કહે, જ્યારે ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબી પોતાના ફર્સ્ટ સ્લીપમાંથી જાગે ને ત્યારે આપણે એને સેકન્ડ પીરિયડ ઓફ રિએક્ટિવિટી કહીએ છીએ. It is about 6 to 8 hours after the birth. Obviously, first period of reactivity end થશે ત્યાર પછી જ second period of reactivity start થશે, અને જ્યારે start થશે તો it is for about 2 to 5 hours. Second period of reactivity no time duration only 2 to 5 hours નો છે. In this period, the neonate again becomes alert, active and responsive, as well as respiratory rate and heart rate will also slightly increase. Sleep, obviously sleeping હોય newborn baby, તો obviously all vitals become decrease, or આપણા પણ vitals decrease થાય the same way neonate ના પણ vitals decrease થાય. When the neonate become very alert, active and responsive હોય તો obviously there is a vital sign become slightly increase. The same way happened here. During this period, the stabilization of physiological system will also occur. ધીરે ધીરે જે physiological adaptation થવું જોઈએ, physiological system જે stabilize થવું જોઈએ, એ second period of reactivity માં થવા લાગે છે. Okay, thank you everyone. Here I will stop my lecture.